The Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution available in the world today. It's actually the only solution that helps you build business credit for your EIN number that's not linked to your personal Social Security number, as well as obtaining all types of financing through business loans and credit lines through over 1,000 lenders and every legitimate funding program all in one place. The Finance Suite makes it easy to build business credit through our 7-step business credit builder. This system is designed to take years of business credit building and condense it down to only months. And to get started right here in step 1 with business credibility. More than likely, you've applied for a credit card before and received an automated immediate approval. This is because lenders and credit issuers have a secret set of standards that you must meet to get approved. If you meet those standards, you can receive these automated immediate approvals, but if you don't meet those standards, you'll end up getting denied. Well, in step 1, we're just decoding the secret set of standards that lenders and credit issuers have so you can meet their criteria before you even apply. So every aspect of your business we cover in step 1 to make sure it meets these standards. So again, you'll know you meet the qualification requirements before you even fill out the credit or loan application. So if you already have an existing business, then it's easy to navigate through step 1 by simply clicking yes to things like that you have a business name, entering your business name, clicking save and continue to the next step. But if you don't already have your business established, the Finance Suite makes it very simple for you to go through and set up every aspect of your business to meet these legitimacy standards that lenders and credit issuers have. For example, you're able to access Secretary of State records to see if the business entity that you like is available. You're able to come in and access high-risk industries where underwriters may automatically decline you just because of the SIC of the industry code you choose or the business name that you select. You're also able to come in and watch short videos with tips, tactics, and tools that will help you along the way in every step as you navigate through the Finance Suite. Now, the Finance Suite is mobile friendly, so on any mobile device you can use the Finance Suite, and it's also available in English and Spanish by simply selecting the proper language option on the bottom of each page. So as you navigate through step 1, we're helping you set up your business name to meet lendability standards. We're helping you come in and set up your business address, your entity, to make sure that you meet lenders and credit issuers requirements. So for example, certain addresses such as P.O. Box addresses or UPS addresses can get you automatically declined. If you don't have a phone number set up or a fax number, if your phone number is not listed with 411, you can get denied. But you can't go to 411.com to just list your own number. It usually is picked up organically by Google in time. But through our Finance Suite, you can simply select that yes, you'd like to have your number listed with 411, and we pay the $360 a year to make sure that it gets done for you. This, again, takes what could take you months or years to accomplish and condenses it down into only years. We help you pick the right entity to separate personal and business liability, help you set up your website, email, to meet credibility standards that lenders and credit issuers have. Get your EIN number, any licenses that you need. Set up your bank account to get bank references. Every question that you'll be asked by lenders and credit issuers, we're making sure that you meet the criteria that they have so you can move forward and know that you have the confidence to meet the requirements to get approved. Once we set up your business credibly, we move on to step 2, where we help you get set up with all 3 of the major business credit reporting agencies. With Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian, you can actually have credit reports populated before you may even know of them. As a matter of fact, Experian and Equifax will populate credit reports for your business, even if you have no credit, and will automatically give you a failing score because you don't have any credit. So the first thing we need to do is check and make sure that Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet have or don't have information about your business and what information they do have. In one click, you're able to access the reporting agencies to enter your business information and see what information they know about your business now. You're also able to come in and get set up with Dun & Bradstreet, including getting your DUNS number. If you speak to Dun & Bradstreet on the phone, you'll know that that could cost you thousands of dollars to set up your business, activate your credit profile, and get your DUNS number. But right here in step 2, we're helping you get your DUNS number, helping you get set up with all reporting agencies, including Dun & Bradstreet, and you'll also be activating your credit profile in the next step. Speaking of the next step, once you've got set up with Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, Experian, the next step is to start building real business credit. This is done through accounts called vendor accounts. And vendor accounts are accounts that will report to the business credit reporting agencies, but accounts that will approve you for credit even if you have no prior credit reporting now. For every source, we list where the source actually reports, a description of the products and services that the source provides, and the actual underwriting requirements to get approved. By having relationships with the underwriters of all of these sources, we help take years of business credit building and condense it to only months by only exposing you to the sources that you can get approved for in each step along the way. We even gray out sources you can't qualify for and make them in orange if you can qualify, to give you one more indicator that you'll meet the requirements before you apply. Once you've started to obtain vendor accounts, gotten approved, used the account and paid the bill, they're going to start to report on your business credit reports. So the next step in the process is to get you set up to actually access your business credit reports so you can see your new accounts reported. Once these accounts report, that'll give you an established credit profile, established credit score, and that'll be the foundation to moving to revolving credit in the future steps, as you'll soon see. So through step 4, you're able to set up credit monitoring with Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian direct from their websites. Now, typically, Experian and Dun & Bradstreet will charge you $200 to $210 a month just to set up your credit monitoring. But through the Finance Suite, through either the credit monitoring section or through the credit report dashboard, you're able to get credit reports for only $24 through our NAV integration. This integration gives you all the information you'll need for Dun & Bradstreet and Experian, including your Paydex score with Dun & Bradstreet, your Intellis score with Experian, and all the summary data of your business, your payments, any public record information. It'll even give you detailed breakdowns of all the accounts you have reporting, your payment history, public records, and you can even set up alerts on your profiles as well. The same with Experian. You'll be able to monitor your scores, the summary and overview information about your business, as well as accessing all of your account data showing all of your payment history. And again, instead of spending $200 a month or more to do so, you can do so for only $24 a month. This saves you 90% on credit monitoring, or over $2,200 a year. Once the accounts that you've obtained start to report on your business credit reports and you've made sure that there's no inaccurate information on your reports, you're able to move to the next step. Now, if you do find inaccurate information on your credit reports, then in step 4, we make it very simple for you to come in and dispute that information with all 3 of the reporting agencies. Now, you're not alone in this process. Our certified business advisors help you through every step of the process when building business credit. These advisors have worked sometimes with over 10,000 businesses, helping them establish and set up business credit. So they will hold your hand and help you along the way, not just available by you calling, emailing, or typing help or chat here on the bottom to speak with them, but also by proactively reaching out to you to help coach you through the process. Again, this is just one more way the Finance Suite helps take years of business credit building and condense it down into only months. Once accounts start to report on your business credit reports, now it's time to start getting you approved for revolving credit. This is credit with most major retailers that you can get, again, without a personal credit check and without a personal credit or without a personal guarantee. Whether it's gas stations, whether it's safety companies, whether it's grocery stores, Amazon, places like Staples, Lowe's, Macy's, they're all available for your Finance Suite. And again, every source will tell you and list where the source reports to and will give you the actual underwriting requirements so you'll know you can meet those requirements before you even apply. This information, again, is one more way that we condense the business credit building process to help you get high limit accounts of $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 very quickly through the Finance Suite. So as you navigate through the steps, you'll be able to obtain more and more credit the more accounts that you get that report on your business credit reports. And again, you'll be able to qualify for all these accounts without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check, and the requirements to do so is listed with each and every source. Whether it be Walmart or Amazon, or whether it be Lowe's, BP, Chevron, Sunoco, or Conoco, all of these sources, whether it be Sam's Club, Costco, are all available through your Finance Suite. Most major retailers offer business credit, and the Finance Suite makes it easy to obtain this financing, even including auto vehicle financing, even cash credit cards, including Visa cards and MasterCards that you can use anywhere. And again, all of this credit is available without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. So all the major sources that will give you this type of business credit are all available in the Finance Suite and all available by learning more. You can even click and apply right from the Finance Suite itself. As you're building business credit, you're probably also going to want to access all the financing that you can get approved for as well. This includes loans and credit lines from conventional banks such as SBA loans through alternative lenders, even private investors. And the Finance Suite takes us over 1,000 lending sources and every legitimate funding program and puts it in one place and gives you access to a whole team of people, including finance processors and finance officers, who will help you understand each product, develop a finance blueprint of all the funding you can qualify for now, and will go through and help you with every aspect of getting the loan, even working with the lenders and the finance source directly, all the way through to the process of the money being in your bank account. We even use the volume of funding that we do to get you discounts on the financing to get you better terms than you're even able to get on your own. The Finance Suite has a lot of different funding available for you based on your business strengths. So if your business strength is that you have maybe good personal credit, well, then you're able to come in and get up to $150,000 in unsecured credit lines, even as a startup that don't have any revenue or collateral qualifications. These credit lines provide 0% interest rates for 6 to 18 months. They report to the business credit reporting agencies, helping you build business credit at the same time. You can use your personal credit or that of a guarantor to actually get approved, and you can actually take the cash out on these credit cards, giving you the benefit of 0% and being able to take the cash out. If your strength is that you have something like consistent revenue, well, then you can qualify for financing such as revenue financing. And with revenue financing, you can get approved regardless of personal credit quality and regardless of whether or not you do or don't have cash flow. As a matter of fact, you can even receive your funding in 72 hours or less. Maybe your strength is that you have something like collateral such as account receivables, 401ks, purchase orders, securities such as IRAs, stocks, or bonds. Maybe you want to buy equipment or already have equipment. Maybe you're looking to buy inventory or already have inventory. This kind of a financing with you have collateral or assets is available to you regardless of personal credit quality and regardless of personal or business revenue. That gives you more options to get financing with rates as low as 1%, 2%, and in most cases, this kind of asset-based financing is available with rates 5% or less. As you continue to grow your business, your financing options grow as well, even getting you access to private equity financing through private investors, getting you access to financing through other alternative lenders. So for example, if you have two forms of strengths, such as having tax returns that show profits and good credit, that opens up options like term loans, longer term loans, and lines of credit for you. You have the ability to actually come in and access SBA loans if you have cash flow credit and collateral. And there's all kinds of new age financing in here as well, including artificial intelligence driven funding products that help you get immediate approvals, some of which will give you access to things like credit lines without even having a credit check. So as you can see, the Finance Suite really is the most comprehensive financial solution in the world today. It combines the ability of helping you build business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal Social Security number, of which will help you get the best terms on loans and credit lines, get approved for the most amount of money, and the difference between getting approved or getting denied. Business credit also helps you obtain high limit accounts of $10, $20, $30, or $50,000 very quickly, whether you can or can't qualify for financing. But if you can qualify for financing, the Finance Suite gives you access to every legitimate funding program in one place, helping you qualify for even more money and helping you get it at the best terms. And your finance team will develop that finance blueprint to help you qualify for all the money you can get now and lay out a plan for you to get even more money in the future as well. Plus, the Finance Suite has extra added benefits, including business valuation. If you've ever wondered how much your business is worth, you can find out at no cost through our integration directly through BizEquity. By entering basic information, including your financial data, into the Finance Suite, you can actually see in real time exactly how much your business is worth. And as this information changes through time, you can simply come in, enter new information, and the estimate of what your business is worth will change at any time. This way, you can keep an eye on the growth and value of your business as you continue to take the capital you're getting from the Finance Suite and using it to build your business credit, using it to obtain financing, and using to attain and grow the actual business. The Finance Suite is the most comprehensive financial solution available in the world today, helping you build business credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal Social Security number, helping you access all types of legitimate business funding in one place, even helping you keep an eye on the value of your business as it continues to grow. Talk to us today to learn more about how this solution can help you quickly and easily obtain capital for your business, even if you can't qualify for conventional bank loans, and especially if you want to get the best rates and terms on the financing that you do get from banks, as well as building your business credit easily, step by step, through our Finance Suite and Business Credit Builder.